Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Redgear Grim version 2 gaming keyboard. There's an image of the keyboard right on top. It's Grim version 2 written right over here. This particular keyboard comes with rainbow backlight, 3 LED modes, Windows lock, double injection keycaps and 19 keys anti-ghosting. Let's take a look at what other information is provided on this box. The features are mentioned. Once again, I'll mention the features. It comes with backlit with 3 model mixed colors, double injected keycaps, PVC cable, Windows lock, 19 anti-ghosting keys, floating keycaps, double shot injection revealing light, 12 hotkeys multimedia, and also says press light key to switch between light modes. Technical specification 104 keys, basically the full keyboard. Key life is 10 million clicks, which is pretty decent as well. Cable length is 1.5 meters. I'm going to now open this box and show you what's inside. There you go, this is what you find inside the box. This is the Grim version 2 from Redgear. This is a mechanical keyboard and also has a metallic body on it. I'll give you a closer look. There's a metallic body. It has 1AG written over here, and notice the Redgear logo over here as well. Okay. Underneath there are 2 anti-slip rubber stops, and there are these stands for when you want to elevate this particular keyboard. There you go, this is 1 and this is 2. Let's take a look at the cable. This is a PVC cable. This is a very standard PVC cable, but it's 1.5 meters long, which means you will be able to use it very comfortably. You also have a USB-A jack on one end of this particular cable. I'm going to plug it to my laptop over here and show you the LED lights. So there you go, these are the LED lights. It's not breathing right now, but there is a light button over here. I'm going to press that and see there the light scheme just changed. I'll press it again. Okay, another scheme, and now it's off. There's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 profiles for this particular keyboard. And once again, let me mention that this is a full keyboard, which means you will have the numpad separately and also the home insert buttons separately as well. Also notice that there is a Win lock button right over here. So if I press the Win button now, the Windows button pops up. Let me just show you, give you a better example what I'm talking about. And there you go. You can see the keyboard now as well. So when I press the Windows button, which is over here, the Windows button pops up right away, as you can see. But if I press the function button and then the Windows button, so let me just do that, the function button, there you can see the function button over here. I press the function button and the Windows button. Now this particular sign starts to glow, which means that the Windows is now locked. No matter how much I press it, the taskbar button, the start menu will not appear. If I unlock it, it comes back. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Redgear Grim version 2 gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching.